What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. As you can see, guys, we will be finally kicking off our Christmas series cocktails right up to the new year. Can you have a guess what today's cocktail is, guys? Because the lights will give it away. As you can see, they are changing colour, so it can only mean one cocktail. The colour changing Martini. Now we've looked at the lights, we can crack on with this cocktail. But today's Christmas cocktail, guys, is the colour changing Martini, as it's one I've been wanting to do for a while, and I will show you guys how to make this. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as it really helps my channel to grow, so any support in that direction, I really appreciate it. Thank you. First thing to do, guys, is put some ice into your shaker. And the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of dry gin. We are using the Tanqueray brand today. Our next ingredient, guys, is 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of ginger liqueur. We are using the King's ginger, because you can't get this from Waitrose. It's not the easiest ingredient to find, I will be honest. Next ingredient to go in, guys, is Next ingredient to go in, guys, is 50ml or 1/2 ounce of sugar syrup, or for our international audience, simple syrup. So you're having a good Christmas, everyone, or happy holidays. So is the holiday season approaching? Right, and the last thing you want to do now is add in an entire dropper of below flower extract. So you can't get this from the Trafford Centre for audience up north. It's Trafford Centre and Windermere. Again, another ingredient difficult to come by. That should do it. But say not one drop, one dropper, so we'll add the entire thing. And if it's not enough, we'll just add a bit more. Remember, guys, do not add the lemon juice to this yet. Do not add the lemon juice. Put your glass on, give it a bang, and shake for 10 seconds. There we go, nice and blue. Give it a good bang to separate, and get your martini glass. As you can see, guys, I've nicely decorated with a Christmas tree. Put your strainer on, then strain into your martini glass. Right, tell you now, guys, notice it's a dark blue. This is the trick to this cocktail, why it's colour changing. The lemon juice will change it because of this, the flower extract. Right, well, add in a little bit of lemon juice first. Right, that's better. A close up for you guys. As we add the lemon juice and watch it change colour from a dark blue. See it changing. Add a bit more. Because the more you add, the lighter it will turn from a purple to a pink, to like a fuchsia colour. And there we go, guys, one colour changing martini. What do you think of it? Certainly pretty to look at. It's certainly very fascinating watching it change colour. But so what does it, guys, is the acidity of this. It's the pH colours. The lemon juice is a little bit, as it's better to change it from, because if you use the below flower extract anything, it'll change anything. It's fun to use, and it'll turn any cocktail or drink blue, and then just add the lemon juice and watch it change colour to a nice bright pink colour. But it's the acidity, it's the pH level that does it. But if you want a wantage, you can use a lemonade or other ingredient. It doesn't have to be like gin or the ginger liqueur. You can just have a load of fun with this. So I highly recommend if you ever get a chance to, if you ever see this little fella. But the thing you guys want to know, how does the colour changing martini taste? Works better as a typical gin cocktail, like bitter taste, but it's very nice as well. Because it certainly complements with the sugar syrup to sweeten it like a little bit, so it's not overpowering the bitter taste. But this cocktail is more about presentation. It's certainly lovely to look at, and it's certainly quite drinkable. It's nice and it's certainly pretty. Well, that is a colour changing martini, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more cocktail videos, as we will be doing more Christmas cocktails, as I will be doing a lot more, as I will be doing one in midweek, as in the run up to Christmas, and after next week I will be doing daily ones on every 2 days up to the run up to the New Year. So I will see you for the next Christmas cocktail video. Have a nice day, guys. Cheers.